Well, greetings business mathematics students. This is Mr. D and this is week number 8, our final week here in our business mathematics course at Norco College. And I just wanted to give you one last video. It's going to be a simple week this week. It's chapter 20 on investments. You're going to be looking at stocks, bonds, and mutual funds. And there's not as much math as maybe you've been working with. So I think the way this class has been designed, it kind of gets heavy in the middle. Some of the more difficult concepts are in the middle, and then it gets easier once you get past that middle point. So this is going to be even easier than what you've been looking at with some of the other concepts, but overall it's very important for you to learn and understand, because you should be and may be involved in investing, or even just being able to make money with your money. That's a very valuable skill to get. So I'm going to go ahead and share my screen. Here I am on our homepage in Canvas. I'm going to scroll down. As you know as well, this is week 8, which means it's our final week in this course. It's only an 8-week course, and it's not even a full week. It ends on Friday, so make sure that you get everything turned in, including your final exam, by Friday. Unfortunately, in an 8-week class, there is no finals week, but I did give you a little bit lighter load by only having one chapter. But once again, you're going to be doing the Read Me First. You're going to be doing the Help Sienna to see how investments fit into a business. Then you have a study page, for chapter 20 on investments. There's some tips on solving word problems. It's the same one I've been using, but there is a formula sheet you want to look at for chapter 20, and then you have your final check-in assignment. Good news, there's no math on the check-in assignment. It's all personal questions. I just want to see what you learned and what you liked about the class, what you think I could do differently. Also, there's a quiz on chapter 20. I think it's 6 questions, and then you have your mandatory post-test assignment and your final exam. Now, your final exam is based on everything from week number 5 on, so it's 4 weeks worth of material, starting with chapter 12 on annuities, and then all the way through chapter 21 on statistics, which we looked at last week. So it's chapter 12, chapter 14, chapter 15, chapter 16, chapter 17, that's inventory and depreciation, chapter 20, which is investments, and then chapter 21 on statistics. It doesn't have as many fill-in type questions as the first exam did, but there's still quite a few. You can have anywhere from 8 to 10 of the 25 questions that will be fill-in. So be prepared for that. Give yourself plenty of time. I don't believe I even have a time frame on the exam. I think it's just open for as long as you can do it. As long as you need to take, you can take. And so that's pretty much it for the rest of the course. Checking to see what the time frame is. Yeah, so there's no time limit on the final exam, so you can take as much time as you need, but don't wait till the last minute. But it is due on Friday, so make sure you turn it in by then. And that's pretty much it. If you have any questions or concerns, you can try and reach me during my office hours this week. I will not be having a Zoom session this week on Thursday like I normally do, but if you need to meet with me, I do have office hours at that time, so you can still join me from 10 to 11 on Thursday. But I just want to say it was a pleasure to have you in my class. You guys did an outstanding job. I probably never had as many students scoring so well in this class. It actually was 2 classes merged together. So I had almost 80, well, probably 70 students, 65 students, sorry, about 60 to 70 students in this class, but most of you did exceptionally well, so great job. And thank you for being concerned about your grade and concerned about what you're getting. So I appreciate that. And I just want to make myself available if you need anything, a scholarship reference or a job reference or a college reference, or if you just want to talk to somebody about your career planning, or you want to ask questions about a certain field of industry, or if you have issues in your life you want to talk to somebody about, or if you want prayer, or for you or your family, or any situation going on, I'd be happy to be available to you. You have my email address, so just reach out, and you can know that I just want you to know that I'm there for you if you need me for anything, all right? So great to have you in my class. Maybe I'll see you guys in some of my